Okay, everyone, I'm back. So, I know the first thing that I definitely need to do is to check this guy. I call my programs guys. Check this guy into revision control, software repository. So I'm going to use my bit bucket. Get logged in here. I don't think there's anything horrible I could show off in here or anything. It's like, oh, you may get a sneak peek at some of my source code or my projects, which are like all the projects I have on my web. That's interesting. That's called state flags and not 50 flags. So I'm going to create a new repository. Now, the thing about doing software code repositories is always figuring out which files you don't need to check in. So this is Demolition Madness. Private. Yeah. No, I don't need any of that. Hip chat notifications. Okay, so this is always the kooky part. This is like the dance you always have to do with revision control. So, go to my project folder. Projecto. And Demolition Madness. So now I'm going to just call this Demolition Madness 1. Oh, and I need to, actually, if I have another window, go back to Projectos. See, if I was doing this by command line, I could just do my move commands. Be a lot faster. So I'm going to move this Demolition Madness up to here. No, I don't want to move it in. I want to just move it. I want to move it to projects. There we go. So Demolition Madness. Now Demolition Madness 1 is empty. So let's get rid of this one. Then rename this one Demolition Madness 1. Or I could have called it Demolition Madness. It just needs to be named to something differently. So now we're going to take this URL I, whatever, and go to, actually I don't even know if I need that. I want to open source tree, nice tool by Atlassian. Going to open this guy up. I guess I can turn the music down a little bit whenever I'm playing the game. So we're going to add a tab. We're going to go to remote. Going to clone and pop in our URL there. So this is where I always get confused. I think the destination path needs to be my project folder. And select that one. Or maybe it needs to be Demolition Madness. See, that always confuses me. Do I give it the name of the parent of the folder and give it the name here, or do I actually include the name right there? I think this is right. Yeah, I don't care about any of that. Clone. So now I should have a Demolition Madness. Another one with a .hg mercurial. That's a hard word to say. Mercurial. So now we don't want to delete that one. We want to copy all this. I'll do a cut. Go back to projects. Go back to Demolition Madness. Then paste these in here. It's always a pain getting this set up. Now, I guess if I set this up first, then I could have just created in GameMaker, created my project in this folder. But sometimes, like Unity, which I've complained about before, you have to create a Unity project in a blank folder. So it won't let you create a Unity project in a folder that's been created for Mercurial because you got this .hg file in there. And I guess you could just cut this or delete it and move the HG to a temporary folder, then create your Unity project, then plop it back in. I'll try that next time. I never thought about that. But the important thing is figuring out what you need to check in. I guess I'm checking everything. Now, I know like Unity, you don't want to check in like library every time for every single project. You don't want to check in some of these other files that just come with default by Unity. Well, the one that I definitely don't need is build. I don't think I have any builds yet. Now maybe object. No, I think I need that. Now if there's one in here for builds, then I need that. Like options. I don't know if I need this. Pretty small, 2 kilobytes. Yeah, not gonna worry about that. And that's less than a meg. I guess one good way to check is just see what the total size is. Yeah, that's 6 meg. So I can delete Demolition Madness 1 now. Then I can click on this, and now it should bring in all the files and get rid of these other tabs. You can also look through here to see if there's anything that looks like... There's my GarageBand files in RAW. But I guess I'll go ahead and check in everything. So this will be my initial check-in. And I always push. Some people say you don't need to push every time, but it's easier just to push every time. Up now, dropping frames because... I guess it's really CPU intensive to check in files. Oh, I guess it's also sucking down the upload bandwidth too. So that should have it checked into revision control now. So now if I mess something up or computer blows up or whatever, then I'll always have that backup copy. But yeah, I use Game Maker 2 in Steam. Seems to make it a little bit easier than installing it myself. Especially things like Godot engine. It's a lot easier to install through Steam than installing it yourself. I've had issues trying to install Godot by itself. So yeah, I think I got the base. The base concept of the game. It's like a Mario Brothers, as in original Mario Donkey Kong style, crossed with Bomberman. Crap. So it doesn't have it, but probably because I moved it, so I just got to tell Game Maker again where it is. Projectos. Demolition Madness. I guess it's the YYP file. Why do they call a Game Maker game YYP? It's a really bizarre extension. I guess I can bring up my chat, see if anybody's chatting about this. YouTube live dashboard. So yeah, I'm about 5 hours into this game. One watching now. I don't know if that's me. Stream health poor. I think it's just because I was checking in those files. But the good thing is thing that I do like about YouTube is it creates a, what do you call it? An archive video, so anybody can watch it later, and it seems to save your archive video for all time. Unlike Twitch, where it just saves it for like 2 weeks. Okay. What is this workspace 1? I guess I need that. Why doesn't it show me my level? Yeah, there it is. I'm kind of proud of my level so far. I think I need some more blocks, maybe somewhere around here in the center. I don't know. Maybe put some down here. Maybe make a little pile of blocks here. Gotta make sure I got blocks. These layers are really slow. See, it's not even highlighting that. There should be something right here. So I got the extra block power up. Maybe I should start at 0 bombs. Then you can pick, I don't know, you want to game the most. Make us. This looks really neat. Out of all the games, what game do you want to make the most? I don't know, I've made 80 games. I've made over 80 games, so there's always something I haven't created. So this is my first game with ladders. I've never made a Mario Brothers Donkey Kong style game before, so I'm always testing out new things. Okay, so the one thing I do need is the switch for the exit, so I'm going to create Objecto. This is going to be, do I just want to call it exit? I don't know. OBJ. I was going to have it where you'd have to blow up parts of the level and everything, but I'm not going to deal with that. Let's just have an exit. Add a sprite. And let's make the sprite. What color do we want? See, so now I'll do most of the graphics tomorrow. Let's paint. So close this. This will be image exit. Change the size to, do I want it to be 64, 32, 32, 64? I want it to be like a big switch that you gotta switch on and off. I think I want it to be 3264. So I gotta uncheck the aspect ratio. Apply. So let's go back to level. I think I'm just going to make the exit an actor. So here's the exit. So let's open our exit up. Add event. Not create. Let's get rid of create. Misclicked there on step. So we want a place meeting XY with OBJ player. And if that's true, what was the command for the next room? Is it just next? Room go to next. There we go. So now I want a new room. So this room's just going to be called ending. Crap. So I may end up doing. Whoa. So room settings, want to do 1280 by 720. I wish I could do text. There's no easy way to do text. Font, tiles. So really, this will be the end screen. Just place a brick. That's the end screen. Oops. Don't want that. Level 1. So really, the beginning and the ending screen will probably look the same. I'll probably copy and paste the beginning into the ending. But, crap. Why are you starting the ending up? I don't understand this. Options? Is it under options? We should ask you this stuff when you create your game. Demolition Madness. Why? Okay. I don't understand why it's starting up on the end screen. It's just gonna be whatever. Yeah, this will be on Windows definitely. I'll probably put a Mac and Ubuntu build out there as well, but right now I'm trying to figure out why. Because I have level 0 at top, but it's going directly to the ending. It's like, what's going on here? See, it's been a few months since I've made a Game Maker game. Sometime in the middle of last year. So I can't remember how you set the default map. Main. General. Project use time, 9 minutes. July 27th. Oh, probably because I copied it from the other folder. I'm confused now. So what happens when I drag ending? No. Can we drag this one down here? So now the ending is before level 1. But now it's not playing the music. Why was it playing the music on the others? Wow. Oh, maybe it's over here. Level 0. Room physics, creation code, instance creation order. That's interesting. So I can actually specify the orders that these get created. Okay, I gotta look this one up. Game Maker 2 set starting room. Seems like that would be a simple thing to do. If you put the main menu at top, it will be first. If you went to the main menu without sprites with the font, use something like this. The rooms folder. I have level 0 as the first one in the rooms folder. Am I doing some weird inheritance thing right here? Let's close both of these. Oh, maybe I need to save it or something. File. Save. Oh, maybe I'm pressing the wrong button to run. Maybe there's like run entire project or something. I don't understand that. Okay, let's get rid of ending. Delete. Play. Oh. Oh, it thinks it's colliding. Oh, I didn't. Okay, stupid me. That explains a lot. Yeah, you kind of need an if statement right there. Oops. My mistake. So it's immediately going to next room. Wow, it's too late. Too late for me. I wish the highlighting color was different for this. It's really hard to see things that are highlighted. So, is there a way that I can just like paint a background? Yeah, here we go. So let's make the background screen this light blue color. There we go. Level 0. Play. I've got a lot of games, it's just I don't have a lot of time to put them on consoles. I can always put more games on Creator's Console on Xbox One. I've never put anything on Wii or PlayStation 4. That would be kind of neat, just to do it once. Yeah, so the last thing that I did, so you got your bombs you can drop. I'll definitely be adding graphics later, so that increases your maximum bombs right there. Now the question is, will the character die if you hit your own bomb when it explodes? So I got these where you can drop these bombs off right here. And drop here. This is a game for GM48. Calling this one Demolition Madness. So it's a cross between Mario, the original Mario, Donkey Kong style game, and Bomberman. So you got lots of ladders. You can drop bombs. Climb ladders. And these power-ups will let you drop more bombs, so now I can drop 4 at a time. So the theme for this game jam, 48-hour game jam, is countdown. Yeah, right there, countdown. So the countdown in this game is the bombs, and that's another power-up I thought I could add, is to decrease the power-up, or decrease the countdown time. It is sort of like Mega Man with a lot of ladders. Thinking about adding creatures that you'll have to fight. So yeah, there's the end screen right there. So the end screen is working. So for the bombs, just for testing, I put the countdown to 2 seconds, but in the real game, I'm thinking starting out at 10 seconds. I'm thinking about having it where you start out with 0 bombs. So let me go to player. Create. So max bombs, let's start out with 0. Actually, I could. Oh, that would be a cool thing to do. It'd be like the Metroid style game, where you gotta get the power up to get past the first obstacle. So let's go to blocks and grab these. Move these over here. Grab our player. Move him here. Then here's the block upgrade. So I'm going to grab him. Put him right here. So press play. Yeah, I'm thinking about having like birds or snakes or something. So yeah, you start out the game. It's like, oh no, I can't get past the blocks. So you go over here, you pick that up. Oh, now I got a bomb I can set off. But it takes 10 seconds. I may want to add 1 to that. So once it hits 1, 0. Because you got like an extra second at 0. So now I got bombs. So I'm going to go plop a bomb right here. So now it's taking a long time. So now I can climb the ladder. Drop some more bombs. Okay. Go up the ladder. There is a slight bug that I have. You can actually go down into the ground right there. If you go too far, you'll get stuck. I don't think anybody would do that for the 48-hour. If I was to ever develop this further, then yeah, I probably need to fix that. I do want to add 1 to the countdown, though. I don't like it how it goes all the way down to 0. Can't just drop the bomb right there. Yeah, I got these little standing graphics. So, thanks for stopping by, Swiggly1Scorpion. Watch the wrestling video? Yeah, I think I have some wrestling videos out there. Yeah, I used to go to quite a few wrestling matches. Then made the CCG wrestling game. I need to put that one on itch.io. I still haven't done that. I like it how you can drop the bombs and they just fall like that. But you don't want to drop 2 on top of each other. It really doesn't. So there really isn't any point in coming over here. This kind of reminds me of Kid Icarus. Oh, thanks for the good luck. Thanks for stopping by in my channel. Yeah, I'm still trying to decide whether I want to do Twitch or YouTube. I like YouTube because they do the video archive for you. So go over here and get this one. Now I got 3 bombs. And you can't jump. It's kind of like Bionic Commando. You can't jump. I could add jumping, but that just adds an extra level of complexity. Yeah, if you notice, like if you're like right off the ladder, if you press up, it lines you up. I'll probably have a different like sprite for climbing right there. There's the exit right there. The music doesn't stop. Great. One power up that I wanted to make. Well, do I want to do critters? I think I need critters more than I need blast radius increase. So let's do a critter. Let's do a critter. Create. This will be OBJ snake. Maybe I should make this look like something. I don't know. Oh, let me go back. Size. Let's do 32 by 32. Kind of keeping everything the same size. Let's put this guy at bottom center. I'm just going to do something simple. Like this. I'll do graphics in Inkscape tomorrow. Can I do a curvy line? How big is this line going to be? I don't understand that tool. Is there a line tool? I need a triangle or a rectangle. There we go. So here's my simple snake. I'll do a better one later. Okay, that's fine. Give him a red tongue. There we go. Give him some eyes. Couple of eyes. Oh, I can't do black. What's up with that? Oh, I need my pencil. There we go. There's my snake. So, let's close that guy. This will be image snake. Close that. So yeah, this will kind of force me to do the damage or death sequence, which I haven't done yet. Let's put a snake right there. So I think starting out, I just want to go to snake. So this is going to be like instant death. One hit, you're dead. Step. If, I messed up last time, place meeting with object player, or at XY object player. Object player. I think I want to have a variable. Yeah. Say is dead gets false. I need like a death countdown. I want to call it reset countdown. Okay. So if not is dead, wait. And I reset count, wait. Countdown is 0. Then let me think. Because when you die, I want to set is dead to true. So you really need to check if you weren't dead before and you are dead now, then you need to set the reset countdown to how many ever seconds. Like I reset countdown gets, let's say, 5 seconds times 30 frames. Okay. Yeah, I really wish I could have, like, attach multiple scripts. I think there's a way to do that. Because it'd be easier to call a function to do the specific death code. So, like, right here. Take this out. So all of this is going to be if not is dead. If is dead. Yeah, I'm going to take that out. I wish there was a way to format this code. My goodness. Can we format this? Can I please get a format? GML game maker code format. Auto formatter. So one thing Game Maker's missing. Be nice if there was a way to format your code. Because this is a mess here. I think there's a way to like add additional scripts, but it's always kind of flaky. I think I'm gonna move this up here. If is dead, else I reset countdown, subtract and assign 1. If I reset countdown is less than or equal to 0, then we want to reload the room. Room go to room restart. So when the character dies, when the snake object player dot is dead gets true, object player dot I reset countdown gets what? 5 times 30. But really I need a script on player called like do dead or something. Can I do that? Script create. I wish I could create a script on this. I don't think I can do that. Script create. It's like called script 0. What's up with that? Because this script isn't going to know what object type it is. Because I can do like is dead gets true and I max, oh no, I reset countdown gets 5 times 30. Rename obj player do dead. So snake so really you got to do obj player is dead is true and obj player reset countdown. So you got to do it from like a global perspective, I think. So can I call obj player do dead? I think this will work. Okay, so it looks like it locked me out. That's good. So it should reset in 5 seconds. Doodad. Object player. If is dead, I reset countdown. Subtract this on one for room restart. Oh, maybe I need like room reload. Something like that. I think room restart should work. Let's just do room restart from right here. If dead, then room restart. So there should be 0 delay in restarting the room now. That worked. Whoa, the music. So the music doesn't stop between scenes. It's interesting. Wow. So object music. How did audio stop? All. Oh no! What happened to my bombs? Whoa! That's weird. I couldn't use a bomb until just then. I don't understand that. What did I do? I don't understand what happened there. It's like I picked up the bomb and I couldn't use it. Yeah, there I go. Maybe it got stuck somewhere or something. I don't know. Maybe I didn't pick up the bomb. So, oh. Okay. Okay, Snakey. Okay, doodad, reset cooldown, 5 times 30, object player. If is dead, I reset countdown, subtract and assign 1. If I reset countdown is less than or equal to 0, then room restart. So it should restart in 5 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Restart. 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 Why aren't you restarting? Did I spell something incorrectly, or is dead? Did I have a different? I don't understand why this isn't restarting. I really wish I could indent all these in. Wonder if I'm copy and paste into like Notepad++ and do an indent in here. Yeah, so can I indent all? Are these tabs or spaces? Tabs. Edit. Indent. Increase indent. Yes. I think that did it. I think that did it. Delete. Delete. Crap. Can't delete this? Delete. Paste. There we go. Thank you. So I guess the way to pretty your code in Game Maker is by pulling it into Notepad++. You would think that would be something built in. But I reset countdown, subtract and assign 1. Oh, I know why. Because the snake is continually colliding with the player and always resetting it. That's why. Oh, if OBJ player is dead, not is dead. Oh, that makes sense. It's way too late. It's 2 in the morning. It's 2:15 in the morning here. See, all these things, like 99.9% of the time, have a logical explanation why they don't work. It just takes figuring out what stupid things you didn't do right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's got that weird little drop there. I could go ahead and pull him down. Go ahead and pull him down. Maybe start him like 1 pixel off or something. Is there a way to set the init position? 5696. Maybe 5695, just so he isn't like stuck or something weird. Still don't fully understand place meeting. I don't think I want to introduce the snake this early. Let's just get the player doing bombs. It's like, oh, I can use a bomb. I can climb a ladder. But I think I want to do the snake. Do I want to do the snake right here? No. Yeah, I might want to do a snake right there. Just add some more bricks. Boy, that is so slow. Give the player a couple more bricks to work with there. Okay. So here's the fun part. Now, if I have multiple snakes and I want to call snake function, I guess I could create a script and pass in the snake object for the snake that I want to modify. It'd be nice if I could, like in Unity and Unreal and everything else, Godot, be able to attach a script directly to a snake, then call the methods of the snake on that script. But you just have step. That's all you have to work with. It's like, please... I don't know if you can create functions in step or not. Maybe you can create GML, create functions in step. How do I make my own functions? Yeah, so scripts are global scope. Yeah, so there's really no easy way. It'd be nice if I could make functions in here. That would be really nice. That's the one bad thing about Game Maker. It kind of teaches bad programming style. I mean, you do have like your stack and everything that grows, but I think using functions is, or methods or procedures is generally a good thing. Not try to have one big if then else gobbledygook. Okay. So advent great. Do I want to do facing? I'm going to do HSP. Gets 0. 8 horizontal speed. I'm going to do eye facing. Gets -1. So step. We want to do. What did I call it in player? The H speed. H speed. Move speed. So snake. Create. Move speed gets, let's say 4. Step. If I, well, H speed gets move speed times eye facing. Oh, I need to do my X. That's the other thing in the script, you can't really access properties. So X and assign HSP. Ooh, that's pretty fast. So that's kind of like a bird speed right there. Move speed. Let's do 1. I wonder if I can do 0.5, if that would work. I don't think that would work. Maybe a little bit faster. Okay. So I want to do image X scale gets eye facing. Yeah, it's backwards. So let's add it. I wonder if it'll allow me to flip. Can I flip? Yeah, flip. Mirror. Whoa, what's that? Mirror brush tool. I just need to flip this. Flip. I don't understand this. How do I flip? Rotate. Oh, that's cool. Crap. Don't do. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Exit. Exit, exit, exit. Okay. So mirror, 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 flip, mirror. Click and drag. Flip. I don't understand how mirror works. I just need to flip this guy. Why doesn't the mirror work? Oh, there's a mirror. Game Maker mirror brush tool. Just want to flip this guy. Control. Oh, so a copy. Copy. Then mirror. Still didn't work. Oh, there it is. Okay. So really I need to select this and delete. Then flip. There it is. Okay. All that just to get the guy facing right. So the first thing I want to check if place meeting x plus I facing times move speed. No. Comma y plus 1 OBJ solid block. This isn't accounting for ladders yet. So I want to go down, I want to go to the next spot and down 1. So if that doesn't equal anything, then oh, this could do in the multiple. Yeah, let's try it. Facing. Multiply a sign, -1. So that's going to flip them. So he should flip right there. He didn't, unless there's a hidden block. Oh, look at that! Oh no, he went behind the blocks. See if he flips here. He kind of goes off a little bit. Because his center is like right there in the middle. I think really I need to kind of surprised he went over the ladder. Oh yeah, there is a block. I bet if I get rid of this one, put this here, I bet he'll bounce on the ladder. Yep. Let's just leave that way. So, x plus I facing times I'm just going to do 16. 16 plus move speed.
I don't know what you mean, man. Like, how to do it without losing your hair?
That's not my impression, no. Can't you be serious about something for once? If you want to know, I'd be happy to tell you. All you have to do is
Well, thanks, but no thanks, baby. Secrets are more fun when you find them out for yourself.
Oh no, I'm trapped!
okay, I've made my decision.
You want to be with Paul.
I'm dead.
Cat. So does this mean...
That guy is a little bit. He does move a little bit fast. No, I better mute that. I'll get a copyright strike for music on my TV. This is pretty fun. Reminds me a lot of Kid Icarus. See, I can't even kill this guy, so I don't even know why. I haven't even programmed it yet. I don't know why I'm trying to kill him. I need to just go ahead and program it. That's funny. The good thing is I already have the code. Most of it, at least. Oh, it's bomb explosion. No. No, I got stuck. No. Crap. No. Ah, I got that sucker. I should have points for killing critters. Oh, there should be a way where I can't just fall over to the other side. I'm gonna put the birds right there. Sort of want to do blast radius. Am I done with snake? Oh, the snake doesn't bounce off the wall. Getting ahead of myself. So if you do hit solid block, then eye facing. Oh no! Crap, I only have one. Yay! This is pretty fun. I should make these reds right there. I can't just blow my way through. But how do I get out then? I guess I can always climb all the way back up and fall. I don't know. What if I make a... Can I walk on top of these? It's interesting. Could do it like this. So at least this way you gotta climb up, fall down, bomb this. I wish there was like some way to make it so they have to drop bombs from above. I don't know. Uh-oh, I didn't put the snake on the actor level. Oops. Delete! Okay.
Hey, listen up. We gotta stop this ruthless bastard. My bastard. I mean, Paul. I'm thinking we should go to him. Hash this out directly.
What do you mean by go to him? We can't just search the universe. Even in 2D, it's still a big place.
Catherine here knows where to find me.
Birds.
His forces won't be able to attack us while we're on the outside, so it should be pretty easy for us to get in. Paul knows this too, which is why he's already begun blowing up the fabric of his universe.
Huh? But how is that even possible?
Well, it's 2D, so it's kind of like holding a piece of paper. He'll know your
I
theory.
think this one should be blast radius.
Screw that psycho stalker. He's just making this too easy. Man, I really hate the 2D universe. The ceilings are low and it's hard to fight.
Move him up. Leave him there.
How can you be sure we're not gonna get crushed when that thing sucks us up?
He's got a point. Seems like it would make our insides pop out. Hello?
What? Is there something you'd like to add, honey?
Why don't we just pull right through? That's it.
Oh, maybe I hit the bomb off screen. Oh, I was gonna change that to 10. Bomb. It's not that Janitor Joe game that I played in high school on the Tandy machines. Oh. Yay, we do. That's pretty fun. I like that. Really old school gameplay. I do want to make it so if I collide with my own bomb, I die. Yeah, I like this. Now I can die from my own. Dead. Crap. Should do time too. Crap. Crap. I think blast radius will be easy. I'm hoping. I don't like it.
Yeah, but watch me fuse 4 Pop-Tarts together. With this. Sing the Pop-Tart.
I gotta pick the TV. Oh man. Image Alpha, that's what I need. Image Alpha. Okay, so this needs to be max lifetime. Wait. 1 minus max lifetime. I life. Oh, I don't even need the 1 minus. Crap. I wish it would check. Make sure that exists. Maybe I just want to have really minimalistic graphics like this. How do I increase the size?
Listen, Miss Valentine, please.
I can't pay $300 million.
Oh, there it
It's
is.
not fair to revive me and then expect me to pay all that money. I don't even know anything about myself. What am I gonna do?
Crap.
The debt payments will revive me. I'll do everything I can to help you. And you know, someday your memory might come back to you.
Crap.
If you hang in there, you might meet someone wonderful.
Okay.
What's this?
It's an ID. If you should die or if you forget yourself, they know who you are and where you're from.
I don't have an idea at all. Sometimes I think, oh yes, I'd love to where all the shooting stars are gone.
Oh, wow, they reset this every time. There we go. Plus bomb.
Collection agents. The insurance company got impatient.
What do we do?
Crap. Can I just do an all?
If we stay here, we'll both get caught. You better jump out and run. I'll meet you at a medical clinic. All right?
But why are you helping me?
Whoa.
Beauty, that's the way it works.
Wow, that looks cruddy. Why does it unselect itself? Why does it look so cruddy? Plus B. There we go. I just need something to make it look different.
He really did care.
This is a game for GM48. Let's see here. Yeah. So 16 hours left in GM48. The theme is Countdown. I've done this game jam like 3 times before, but it's been a few months since I've done this one. But yeah, making a little kind of like Donkey Kong, sort of like Mario. Original Mario, but it's like Bomberman 2 where you got bombs that you can set off. Next thing I was gonna work on, well, I just got the snakes working and just added the different shades for the bomb blast. I was gonna do blast radius next. Yeah, just have stand-in art for right now. Tomorrow I'll probably work on doing some stuff in Inkscape. Or actually later today. Doing the background. Gotta get around this little snaky. So I just added these new icons for the power-ups. So what I was going to do is make this one over here a blast radius pickup. Yeah, but it's just a bomb pickup right now. Gives you... Whoa, that's a bug. Yeah, that shouldn't have happened. Yeah, those ladders are kind of tricky to figure out. So let me go to the power-up layer. I don't know why I gotta hold shift now to select. Or did I not put this on the power-up layer? I guess I didn't. Did I put it on the blocks layer? Actors. What layer is this on? I must have put it on the blocks layer. No. Is it on actors? No. Is it on power-ups? No. It's got to be on some layer. Maybe it's just not making my... There it is. I put it on blocks. Anyway, I'm getting rid of it. So, got my power-ups layer. Get my blast radius here. Whoa! I need to reduce the size of that. No wonder it was so big. So I'm going to go in here, reduce the size to 32, apply. Wow, did it completely delete my image? Can't believe it deleted that image. I need to reduce the size of this too. 32, apply. Okay. Blast radius. Set that to the BR. So I'm just going to do the standard step. And if place, I really like place meeting X, Y, OBJ player, then instance destroy self, but also want to do OBJ player dot I blast radius. Is it on the player or is it on the bomb? I think I'm just going to put it on the player. Add and assign 1. And to just test, I'm going to put a blast radius. Like, right. I'll just put it right here. Blast radius. So I'm thinking if I scale the image, it's going to scale the collider as well. The collision mask, I think. I'm not positive about that, but I'm hoping that works. So blast radius 1, blast radius 2. Still don't have any bombs. Pick up a bomb. Oh, I don't have it programmed yet. Okay. So, go to player, go to step, I'm going to scroll down, instance create. Now, Can I do B gets this? Will that work? Otherwise I can't get an instance to the bomb. If this screams, I'm going to be in trouble. It didn't scream. That's good. Okay. Thanks for stopping by, Freddy. Freed Gaming. Yeah, I'm planning to have this wrapped up tomorrow. A lot better graphics, hopefully, and then post it up on the website. So check it out if you like Mario Bomberman style games. Yeah, I'm planning on having a few more power-ups, hopefully, before I turn this in. So B dot scale image scale X gets I blast radius. Scale X scale Y. Now the question is it going to also scale up? Well, the first thing is just seeing if it's going to scale up the image, which I think it should. Blast reduction. That's the same size. Pretty sure that's the same size as it was before. That's disappointing. 5. Oh, that's the bomb. So the bomb should have been twice as big. Not the explosion.
Are you sure? I don't really know myself, I swear.
You're lying.
My past, my future. These are questions every human asks at least once in their life.
B dot blast radius gets I blast radius bomb.
Jeez, is that the doctor from the cryo clinic?
Sure seems that way.
You told me that doctor was dead.
Not dead. I mean, not completely.
How many lies are you gonna tell me before you're through?
I blast radius gets 1.
What about my past? Who in the world am I?
Yes, I named you after my favorite love song. The other night I was lost with the Astro Gate exploded. So you see, no one knows who you are or why you were put in a cryogenic state.
Is this guy a doctor or a cop?
BE gets this. BE.
It's very unfortunate, but we better cut our losses and make tracks. Wait a minute, Uncle. Don't go.
He's your uncle.
That is bigger. No, it didn't destroy these blocks. Collision mass, same as brine. Modify collision mass size at runtime. Maybe I need to pin it.
Hi, I'm Dr. Roberts of Dream Corp LLC. We've partnered with Adult Swim to bring adults. Nobody knows, but they're putting on a weekend. Live music, comedy, and fun. A festival. Yes, there's had an Adult Swim, the first ever Adult Swim festival where I have been given the opportunity to showcase my Dream Corp virtual reality aids. Wow. Where one can explore the archives of our patients' dreams. You're doing great, 88. Performers include Big Frida, Bosco, Chaka and Galen, Chaos, Trans Casino, Flying Lotus, Mastodon, Nico Case, Run the Jewels, T-Pain, plus comedy from Heaven Roach, DJ Dogma, Jennifer, and more. Go to the Adult Swim Festival in downtown Los Angeles and enjoy the ride like 88 years. Get tickets, information allowed, at adultswimfestival.com. Hi.
Acne as an adult? What a time to be alive. I tried cleansers, spot treatments, masks, and I still have acne. Now I'm using different gel. It has the only acne-fighting retinol can get in stores without a prescription.
Okay, that's
Do things different.
This phone is so slow.
What's it gonna take for you to switch?
What do you need? A selfie? Sure. Hey Google, take a selfie.
And can you do that?
Get up to $750 back when you get 2 LG G7 using T-Mobile.
They're all going in the same direction. Different ways. And Pampers gives all of them our driest, best fitting diaper. Pampers Cruisers with 3-way fit. They adapt at the waist, legs, and bottom. With up to 12 hours of protection for all the freedom to move their way. In Pampers Cruisers. Only Pampers diapers are the #1 choice of hospitals, nurses, and parents.
So, kinda new here, but I've noticed a trend. My human does this funny thing where she goes around and gets all my toys, and then she hides them in that basket by the door. It's like, hello, that's where you put it last time. You were the worst at hide and go seek.
Image wise scale. Oh wow, physics draw debug.
When Lipton iced tea meets delicious fruit juice, you get something truly refreshing. New Lipton iced tea with a splash of juice. Lipton.
Crap.
If Italy is the land of love, then all the love is in my hand. Lupin the Third. Private inquiry.
Satisfied bomb explosion.
Without knowing the background, they began to target the tourists. They're the Italians now. They have yet to notice. I would like you to urgently secure the safety of all visitors.
Yeah, that should have taken out a couple of those blocks.
This tastes really good. Baker pizza is the best. So what's the plan, Lupin? We efficiently take the goods and swiftly escape by car. That's it. That's nice and easy to understand. Hey, that's mine! Spit it out!
Rebecca is in Rome. She's here right now. I'm thinking of getting an autograph tomorrow.
Don't do that. She'll probably say no.
Collision points. What is phi collision?
Some things like that, I suggest you study harder.
Don't say bad things about Rebecca.
I'm just saying it for your sake as your father.
I didn't ask for it. And you're just in love pretending to be a good father.
Madam, why such a foul attitude during the meeting?
Because it was born
scale collision with image. You would think that the collision box would scale with the image.
I'm a great fan of yours. Please sign this. I beg you, please. That's cool, isn't it? What? No one will be able to tell who drew this.
Okay. Okay.
All I did was leave behind a makeup bag.
But, madam, have you forgotten that your disguises are in there? If anyone were to discover them, your true identity would be revealed to everyone.
I don't care.
Well, you should.
My bag's not here. It's the girl. Hey guys, tell me, where are we going?
To the Dream of Italy,
Dream of Italy? Where is that?
where you can get really high, cutie. Get a good price for her.
Well, if I just do a second image.
We found her.
Okay. I'll try faster.
Have you seen
Not the way I really want to do this.
I believe they both came in last night.
You would think if you scaled the image, it would scale the collision box too.
Whoopsie-daisy. We found you, little one. Guys, fuck. Listening to the car will never make it. Get me out. Let's borrow that one. I want a really young girl. We have some high-quality commodities here. So how about this girl? Like her? Now where is this girl? So who the hell are you? Now where can I find this girl? Tell me now. She's in the car. What sort of car?
We have obtained one search result.
I need to reduce the explosion time. So everybody here seems to be saying if you scale the image, it's supposed to scale the collision box too, but that doesn't seem to work.
Well, it finally happens, actually. Somebody burned down my she shed. The she shed was for Berliner. It's my she shed covered by State Farm. Your she shed's covered, Cheryl. That's where the food is.
Go with the one that's here to help life feel better. State Farm. First kid, here we go. Second kid. She had to buy their second kid. Every parent is an expert and more likely to choose Love's than first-time parents. Love's with Nightlock Plus absorbs wetness faster than Huggies Snug and Dry for outstanding overnight protection at a fraction of the cost. Live, learn, and get Love's.
There has seriously never been a better time to try our spring cover.
Because now we have our new Unlimited Plus.
Oh, maybe I'm getting this a weird race condition here. Okay, let's bomb.
Unlimited Plus plan for just $42 per line. But hurry, for a limited time, it's now $22 per line when you buy your phones.
When you have acne, you dread every photo. Like the obligatory girls' night out photo.
And work ID photos that make me want to work from home. Now I use Different Gel. It has the only activated medicine you can get in stores without a prescription. Do things different.
This tastes just like I imagine Phil would taste.
This should take out everything.
May disagree. Snapple mango tea tastes just like that.
Oh, I think that did it. Oh, okay. So it was a weird race condition thing there, as far as I can tell. So really, I need to get the scale information from. I need to be pulling it instead of pushing it. So it's like a new one was getting instantiated and was checking the collision before it was getting the scale set. So I can just do obj player dot I blast radius. This is simpler anyway. Instead of trying to pass it to bomb and pass it to here and pass it there. Get rid of this.
What the hell, Lupin? You stole her as well? I did not.
Then on bomb, I don't need to set blast radius here. So this should make it a lot simpler. Throw bombs off. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, no! Okay. Okay. do I have to hold? Why can't I click on this? Or can I just not see it? I guess I just can't see it. Okay.
Hey, calm down, little girl. Going a little after me, don't even know like this. That's how you get yourself into trouble.
Oops. Okay, I want to go ahead and do another power up. Power up. Countdown reduction.
No chance.
Count crap. Crap. Countdown reduction. Okay, done. Countdown reduction. Player. Countdown. Reduction gets.
Let's just end this farce. You still have Mr. Mix-Up MI6 surprise that I moved. Didn't expect to see it.
100.
Never wanted to see it again.
Canvas.
Don't you worry. She's a very safe place. I like to put my heads down now. I'm getting a bit tired. I can't imagine you as a kidnapper.
Countdown reduction.
What happened to the kidnappers? Don't know. They are probably teed off somewhere because they lost their
I countdown reduction plus percent. Power ups. If place meeting X, Y, OBJ player instance destroy self OBJ player dot I count down reduction subtract and assign 20 if OBJ player I count down reduction is less than 20, then OBJ player actually if OBJ player I count down reduction is greater than 20. Countdown reduction minus 20 is greater than or equal to 20. Then go ahead and subtract off 20. Player, so I'm going to subtract off 20. Player. So the bomb create countdown gets 10 times OBJ player dot I countdown reduction divided by 100. Times 30. Oh man, so that'd be 80. Times should be 8. Let's get a whole number right here. That should be 8 times 30. There we go. I still saw a 9 there. Thought I saw a 9. Oh, I died. Okay, I can't think of any other power-ups. One more enemy, that'd be good. What if I do a breakable block bridge? That would be cool.
This is just sloppy craftsmanship. Hey, Rick. Boy, sure is really especially beautiful out there today, huh? Oh, yes, Morty. It's almost unbelievable, isn't it? Yeah, you know, there's something about the air and just the way the sunshine is. Sure, buddy, yeah, sure, but brilliant. Very convincing. Convincing? Oh, responsive, too, in real time. I love it. Okay.
I am going to work. Good morning, Dad. Good morning. I am going to work. Goodbye.
What's with Mom?
Oh, what's with Mom? So you're saying that she's acting weird? How sophisticated. Careful, guys. You're gonna burn out the CPU with this one.
Okay, you know what, Rick? You're acting weird, too.
Whatever. Quote unquote, Morty.
All right, well, I'll see you after school. Ow! Oh, damn it. I'm all right, okay.
All right, who can tell me what 5 times 9 is?
Me?
40. What is it? 5 times 9?
You know, it's, at least 40.
40. That's exactly correct. 5 times 9 is at least 40. Come on, keep it. Everybody, this is the best student. I want you to be the teacher. Teach us, Morty.
Interesting. What do you want me to teach you?
Maybe I should put a countdown reduction right here. I think I want to move this one.
Possibility that somebody has ascended to the presidency of the United States to serve the interests of another country rather than our own.
This is an interesting puzzle. Because I can't... How do I get it? Without blowing myself up. There's no way to get it now. It's got to be like at least 2 wide. Blocks. So if you put it here, then you'll screw up. You got to put it like right here. I wonder if I can go ahead and do a little birdie. I need some birdies. Time to duplicate.
In fact, wherever you set the boundaries of what's too crazy, there were mainstream media publications to say, okay, look, press conference wasn't amazing. This isn't the second coming of Metternich. Like, I can understand why some people might have some issues here, but it's not as bad as Pearl Harbor. Bam! Headline, it's as bad as Pearl Harbor. Somebody even compared it to Crystal Night. I'm like, is this just because you don't want to do the usual Hitlerian things? You decide to get specific? These people completely lost their minds, and now we're at the end of the week. And then we know people don't care about it because we got Avenatti back on TV.
Yeah, so this is the root, this is the screw, it's true. Now it's back to porn stars and sex. The way I like it, ladies and gentlemen.
Crap.
All right, Christina, you cover money and business and you do it well at Fox Business. The big economy seems immune to any of this stuff, and Americans seem immune.
It's true, it's true. We just hit the lowest unemployment rate that we've seen since 1969. I need to appreciate that date. And then we're also, well, since you talked about your third nipple already, drugs and porn stars.
My bird.
But more importantly, yes, it's doing well. We had a bunch of earnings that came out this week. Very, very strong. However, because I cover business news, my only color is green. We have to be concerned about the trade tariffs.
I agree.
Factors that can weigh heavily on the economy.
So I don't have to worry about any of the nonsense.
He's taking credit for this big balloon right now. If it goes to south, he's gonna get hit by the media.
Kat, what do you say about the second summit? Aren't you excited? Putin's gonna come here, maybe we'll go to Mar-a-Lago, maybe it'll be, maybe we'll get through a military parade.
I know that there's going to be a lot of outrage, even if it goes well. It doesn't really matter. Because we saw with this press conference this week, we saw Trump saying the exact same things as he's been saying
something personal while you're trying to entertain friends, and you have that awkward, why would you bring that up here? I'm with my friend. What the hell? And that's basically what happened with Donald Trump in the press. So I asked a question. You see what they're going. So you don't bring up my bastard child right now in the church meeting. Like, this is the place we need to bring this up. Like, I'm sorry, Reverend. Just give me a second. Why you do this whenever we go out? This is why I don't take you nowhere.
That is so true.
Yeah.
That's what Trump is like. Trump is like a little
Yeah.
How do you get the screen width?
Pretty good one. I'm sorry. No, I wasn't imitating you, Christina. Because there was no N for the Canadian.
Get room width. Is it just like room width? I bet that's what it is.
I don't know. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited for the next summit. I can't wait. I hope I get to go. All right, I'm also excited for my book. Don't forget, you can pre-order it.
Yep, room width.
Here it is. It's also in stores July 31st, and the book tour starts August 4th. And I recorded the audio book that last week, and it's got a lot of surprises in there. Before it comes out. Hey, here's the current schedule right there on the screen.
I should check and see if a bomb collides with the bird. Like my block is so happy. Okay.
No pliers. Just stick it up. The industrial adhesive mounts to almost any surface instantly.
So I want a birdie.
Battery quickly, even on
Look up here.
That means no electricity bill and no batteries to replace. Then the 180-degree motion sensor turns on the light when you get near and automatically turns off the light when you disappear. This state-of-the-art sensor can detect movement from up to 25 feet away, so it's a great security light too. Look, here's a best-selling outdoor solar light, and here's the super bright atomic beam sunblast. Just look at the difference. And our unique wide-angle design covers much more ground, lighting the sides as well as in front. Stick it up on the garage, and it turns on when you pull in, then turns off when you're gone. The heavy-duty construction is weatherproof, so it shines bright all year round. And the super bright LED flat panels can last a lifetime without burning out. Get the super bright atomic beam sunblast today for only $19.99. But wait, call right now and you can get a second atomic beam sunblast plus our best-selling atomic beam flashlight. The super bright tactical flashlight that lights up an entire room and can take a beating. Just pay a separate fee. That's 2 atomic beam sunblasts and the atomic beam flashlight. So light up the night with atomic
Oh
beam
crap.
sunblast. Call now.
Call 1-800-570-7810. That's 1-800-570-7810.
I didn't need those there.
MySunglass.com. So call
Why is this so slow?
1-800-570-7810. Order now.
Oh crap. Wish there was a move to layer command. That would be nice. Move to layer would be nice.
Into colliding into wonderful. Smirnoff Ice, Smash, and Seltzer. One of a kind.
Okay, I think this level's about as good as it's going to get. Maybe I'll make a couple more tomorrow. crap, I missed him.
Like Hannibal Lecter after skipping breakfast, the Democrats crave a fresh face. But who does Trump want to see plenty in 2020? I bet he dreams about Biden.
My dream about Biden and it's occurred. Look, Joe Biden ran 3 times. He never got more than 1%. And President Obama took him out of the garbage heap. Everybody was shocked. I'd love to have Big Biden.
Me too. Just to hear more about the dreams. But Dennis see it differently. He poll shows that 3 out of 4 of them think it's time for a fresh face to take on Trump in the next election. The 4th Democrat said he wanted to big sky. Yeah, now. After all, they do love their aliens.
Oh no, I'm trapped!
Seriously, take a look at the last few candidates. Hillary, Bernie, Joe, they got 5 presidential hits among them and 0 wins. So yeah, the fresh face seems to be in order. They don't get much fresher than Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. She's the one who came out of nowhere and became incumbent in the New York primary. And she's bringing new life into the party. How about you, Alex?
I think what I meant is like the settlement
think I'm dead. Oh man. I don't think I can make a better level than that. It's kind of like old school NES level design right there.
Which is kind of the page out of somebody else I know, but he
It's like right out of Kid Icarus.
He would just say, I'm going to get the best people on that.
yeah, and it's going to be the greatest.
So more levels with more enemies and more stuff coming at you.
Yeah, here's the thing with the demos. They just need to have like 7
Anyway, that's 3 hours
and just have like
for this
battle royals.
stream. Thanks everyone for watching.
Guys, and it probably will be at the end. Hillary standing with the steel chair with Bernie underneath her. I mean, it's just. I think you said it. What was the last week? We're probably gonna